Hello guys, in this video I will try to repair this vent because the inside grill doesn't move anymore. Do you see? That one doesn't move from this button, and I need to take off this part and install this part of the button. Let's do this. So I hope to not break anything, and I want to use this tool. Put here, rotate and pull. It's almost out. It's not coming from here somewhere. Take off these two rubbers, and now you must use this tool. Now it's out, guys. We need to take off this front panel. I don't think I want to, or maybe I will unplug the socket and take off Witam. The socket is out. So I will take off the front panel from these clips first. 1, 2, 3, 4, Oh, wow, was a little bit hard. Now, look up there, here. This grill, it's working, left, right, oops, and this one not. So I want to put this maybe I can change only this part from here, but I'm a little bit scary. So I will take it off with all. One is out, 2, and this is the last one. 3, this is 3. But it's not the same. What now? So I need to take off this part. And put the button back. Just like that. And now we're gonna put it back on this. So you have 5 pieces of this. Okay. 5 pieces of this. 2 pieces have this part inside, and another 3 pieces have this part outside. Do you understand? So in first place you install part with inside arm, one up and one down, like that. After you need to put this plate like this, one there and another one here. Now you will come with another part with outside thing and put here like that. And the plate will stay in position. Look. Do you understand? And now you will come with bottom part with this one. Now the grill is moving. And now I will put the last one, last piece. Very hard Lego. Now the grill is in place. It's working like that, and now we need to put it back on the dash. First thing what we need to do is to put this back. All clamps here and here too. Check if it works. The trap. Okay. Again the grill. Everything is work. And now we're gonna put it back on the dash. Put back the socket. Make a test. Okay. And what you need to do is just push it in place. Okay, put the rubbers back. And that's it. Bye.